Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Cordyceps tea. This unique beverage is known for its potential health benefits and is surprisingly easy to prepare at home. You'll need just a few simple items, primarily high-quality dried Cordyceps mushrooms. The entire process, from start to finish, typically takes around 15 minutes, making it a quick addition to your daily routine. Let's get started on brewing your own beneficial cup. First, let's prepare your Cordyceps. Take about 1 to 3 grams of dried Cordyceps mushrooms and gently rinse them under cool water to remove any surface debris. It's important not to soak them for an extended period, as this can diminish their potency. If you have larger pieces, you might want to chop them into smaller segments. This helps to maximize the extraction of their beneficial compounds during the brewing process. Now, for the brewing itself. Begin by bringing approximately 8 to 12 ounces of fresh water to a rolling boil in a small saucepan. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your prepared Cordyceps mushrooms. Reduce the heat to low, allowing the mixture to gently simmer. Let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simmering time is crucial for extracting the full spectrum of beneficial compounds from the mushrooms. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your freshly brewed Cordyceps tea. Carefully strain the liquid into your favorite mug, discarding the mushroom pieces. If you prefer, you can enhance the flavor with a touch of natural sweetener, such as a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For optimal freshness and to fully experience its benefits, it's best to drink your tea immediately after brewing. Enjoy your healthful beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.